Hi, I'm Paul Erway with Superior Van Mobility. And my position here at Superior Van is a rehab products consultant. And one of the products that's a game changer I want to show you today. Let's go on inside.
And what I wanted to show you today is the Chevy Traverse with the BraunAbility conversion to it. With 3 taps of the remote, the door opens by power, slides open. The ramp is going to slide out from underneath the vehicle to give you a quieter ride with driving this vehicle. This ramp has a 1,000-pound weight capacity. It's wider than the Ford Explorer was. This vehicle is going to be a game changer. As the full-size vans went to minivans, more people are going to go with an SUV now. As a wheelchair user, I want to show you this is very easy to use to roll up into the vehicle. And then as you can see, the room that I have, the headroom, the turning radius inside the vehicle, and then if you want to ride in your chair, there's plenty of room to ride up here. And then you also have the securement systems and the straps come up to your chair. But if you want to be a driver, we have applications for driver as well. Should you have any questions at all about this product or any other products that we have, feel free to give us a call. We'll be glad to bring any of the vehicles out to do an in-driveway demonstration. Go to superiorvan.com